Viewers, to start off with some breaking updates coming in right now. We're coming to know that this news coming in from Ambala is saying that the main shooter in the Harbilas murder case has been killed in the police encounter, and the shooter, identified as Sagar, was the prime accused involved in the Harbilas murder case. Sagar was killed in a joint operation by Ambala Police and Haryana Special Task Force. The encounter took place during a raid in the region where Sagar reportedly opened fire at the police. In the crossfire, 2 to 3 police personnel sustained injuries and were immediately provided medical treatment. Sagar's body was later brought to Ambala Civil Hospital and for post-mortem procedures. So this is the big update coming in right now, Republic TV viewers. And what we are coming to know is that the shooter has been killed in a joint operation by STF and Ambala Police. All right, let's go straight across to my colleague who's joining us. The main shooter in the Harbilas murder case has been killed in a police encounter. Lalit is joining us from Chandigarh. Lalit, take our viewers through what this encounter was all about, because we see that this is the main shooter in the Harbilas murder case. If you could take our viewers through the background of this case and murder case and the main update which has come in right now.
Shivangi, if we talk about this whole update, on 24th January in the morning, around 4 to 5 assassins openly fired on Harbilas, who was the BSP leader and who contested the recently held Vidhan Sabha polls from the BSP INLD alliance. So on 24th January, early in the morning, when he was in the park, sitting in the car with two to three friends, that time openly firing was being done, and he sustained bullet injuries. Around 4 to 5 gunshots were fired at him, and after which he's come to his injuries in the PGI Chandigarh. But now, after that, the Haryana police and the Haryana STF police was on the toes. So yesterday they got a tip-off, and around 8 p.m. near the Mulana village of Ambala, in a secluded place, police tried to nab Sagar, who was the main accused who openly fired at Harbilas, the BSP leader. So in the retaliatory fire, he was shot by the joint operation by the Haryana STF and the Haryana police. Right now, his body has been kept in the civil hospital in Ambala. In that retaliatory firing between the Sagar and 2 to 3 other gangsters, 2 to 3 police personnel were also injured. So police in a joint operation have killed the main accused, Sagar, who is also a native of Shehzadpur of Ambala only. Back to the studio.
All right, thank you for joining us there. With all those details, I will be coming back to you as we get more updates on the story. We're going to move ahead right now to some of the other stories that we're tracking. We're coming to know that news is coming in from the national capital, where a large number of cash and liquor has now been seized. That is right. Big update coming in right now. Now, remember, we are counting down towards the Delhi polls.